Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless churros at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. For frying, have about 3 cups of vegetable oil ready. We'll also use a piping bag fitted with a star tip to get those classic churro ridges. This recipe is surprisingly simple and yields wonderfully crispy results, perfect for a sweet treat. Now let's prepare the dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat and immediately add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until the dough comes together and forms a smooth ball, pulling away from the sides of the pan. This quick mixing is key for a perfect texture. With your dough ready, it's time to fry. Heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe the dough directly into the hot oil, cutting off pieces about 4 to 5 inches long. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry a few at a time. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and drain on paper towels. Once your churros are fried, immediately toss them in a mixture of 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This coating adheres best when they are still warm. Serve these delightful treats right away with your favorite chocolate dipping sauce or even a caramel sauce. They are truly irresistible. For more great tips and product recommendations, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check out the description below for other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.